Hey everyone, it's day 3 of the social media Reels Blitz, and we are so excited that you are taking part in this. And I hope you already have like the same excitement as we do every day to pull out your phone and just create the next best reel. So, to give you a little bit of guidance on today's day, on day 3, I wanted to just inspire you to also make it easy, right? So sometimes we come up with this long story, almost Hollywood video or movie that does take up a lot of our time. And the key to this challenge here is actually to make it fun, easy, and adjustable. Because if creating a reel is taking you too long, or it's taking up so much time that you then fall out of the habit and don't stick with it, then it defeats the point. So today is a quick reminder, and quick is the word today. This is why this is a quick tutorial. So here are 3 ideas that you can do to make a quick reel today for your 3rd day. One is basically you walking on the street, you walking in the park, walking somewhere nice out in nature. Maybe you're at the beach and you just video record your feet in the sand, walking through the water, or if that's not available to you, the grass, the street, whatever. But you in movement and in motion. And then you just choose one of the inspiring audios that you can find, either with music. You don't even need captions if you don't feel like transmitting or delivering a message today. It could really be very quick, you in movement, and having someone else's voice who says an inspiring quote or something that you think that fits the day and your audience, and then you just add a caption and something really quick, easy, and simple that speaks to today's reel, right? So that could be something. So you walk, easy, done. It shouldn't take you more than 10-15 minutes, really. The other thing is take your audience on onto your morning routine. What do? You get up, just a quick shot of your coffee, or of maybe you grab a 7-second selfie video when you do your yoga, your meditation. It can be really simple. It doesn't have to be long. It can be one position. Maybe you journaling, maybe you in the car driving your kids to kindy or school. Something that shows you doing something that is a habit, a routine that sets you up. Maybe driving your kids to school isn't really something that sets you up for a successful day, but